Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to navigate the Fidelity app. First, download the Fidelity Investments app from your device's App Store. Once installed, securely log in using your username and password, or enable biometric authentication for quick access. The home screen provides an immediate snapshot of your overall portfolio performance and key market insights. You'll find quick links to essential features, making it easy to start managing your investments right away. On the Accounts tab, you can access detailed information for each of your Fidelity accounts, whether it's a brokerage, retirement, or cash management account. Here, you'll see current balances, individual holdings, and a comprehensive transaction history. You can also monitor your investment performance over various time periods, from 1 day to several years, helping you track your progress effectively. The trading section allows you to place trades for stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds with just a few taps. Before investing, utilize the robust research tools available, including analyst reports and real-time quotes, to make informed decisions. You can also create and manage personalized watch lists to closely monitor securities that interest you, ensuring you stay on top of market movements. Managing your money is straightforward. You can easily initiate transfers between your Fidelity accounts and linked external bank accounts, or even deposit checks using your device's camera. The app also provides secure access to important documents like statements and tax forms. Finally, customize your app settings, including notifications and security preferences, to tailor your experience and keep your investments secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.